Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ruba Shakra and welcome to the most unique residence to visit in Tani, Switzerland. This house is fully equipped with the high standard. This house is built in 2014 with 10 rooms, 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms with 489 square meters. In the heart of Canton Vaud, we can see the comparing between a luxury and nature. Now, let's go to start our trip in this magical house.
The entrance is in of itself a magnum opus, starting with these grease slabs in contrast to the concrete steps leading to the main door. Enhancing the contrast, we may also find between the highly modern architectural concert structure with the vertical asymmetric pattern and the wooden facades.
Now, welcome to you inside this magical house. First, we will start with the dining room. We see here the table, it's made with the glasses from the reflection designer. With the 10 chairs, it's a fabric from the leather. This dining room, it's facing the swimming pool. It's the best area to feeling relaxed and family.
The natural light brought by the sliding glass door surrounding all the house.
Now, let's go to move to the living room. Here we can see the furniture with the chairs and sofa. All is made with the leather and Italian made, with the coffee table and bookcase. All the living room as well, it's facing the swimming pool.
All the lighting spots in the house are dimmable and disrupted by area. They can be switched on, off separately or all at once.
Now we are in the fireplace room, and I would like to say it's a cozy room. In this fireplace room, we can see the furniture. It's a high standard of the Italian furniture. In this room, we can see the garden from the left and the swimming pool in the right way. And now we are in the most important room in the house. It's the kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. It's made with the meal furniture. We can see here the middle, the bar, it's a white, and we can see here there is a 2 fridge and washing machine and all furniture with the brand, it's meal.
The kitchen is almost exclusively equipped with the cacana. More precisely, the induction cooktop, kitchen hood, built-in oven, heater and steam oven. On the other hand, we have dishwasher, 2 fridge and 2 freezer, all the from Miele brand.
In my way to the first floor, I want to stop in the stairs and I want to show you the natural light is coming from the glass. In the first floor, we go to the left right. Here we will interest the first room. It's the minister bedroom. In the bedroom, we can see here the furniture. It's made with the Italian high standard. We can see the bed. It's a king bed. As well, we have here the bathroom. In the bathroom, you can see the douche. As well, you can see the big mirror with 2 places for washing hands. As well, it's a dressing room. Including as well the minister room, we have as well the space. It's a unique space. It's a name, it's a terrace. This terrace, it's facing the mountain as well, Lima du Lac.
In the master bedroom with the Italian furniture as well, specifically a king-size bed warped in leather with a matching in color floating console. A direct access to the terrace via sliding doors and mobile wooden panel. In the room, the discs would creating a pleasant contrast with the royal botany. For the planet pot surrounding the terrace, they are straightforward connection with the environmental nature and providing a nice touch of color.
Now we will visit the second room in this floor. This room, it's here, we can see it. It's including the bathroom as well. It's including the big size, big king room, a bedroom, as well the table of the dressing. I'm sharing with you the last room in the first floor. This room, it's including the king bed. As well, we can see here the small table. And this room, it's including a small dressing and a bathroom as well. I just want to share with you that all the bedrooms in the first floor, it's facing the garden and swimming pool. Now we are in the basement area. When we say basement area, first things we think about, it's a technique and dark place. And now we want to share with you, this is a glasses room. This is the room, it's a wine room. And included 102,000 bottle of wine, you can include it in this glasses room. And now we want to share with you as well the first room here in this floor, and it's including kitchen and bedroom and bathroom. We can say it's a guest room for visiting. After that, you can see as well, we have here the salle sport. It's including many different machines for sport. As well, it's including the bathroom.
We may find again the Max Benjamin candle. And most important, we can see the Sonos 5 sound speakers making the sport experience complete. In the wine room, we can sitting area for wine. At the back of the cellar, we have 3 AeroCave multi-temperature refrigerator display cases, all manufactured in France. The temperature of refrigerator can be calibrated by zones, as well as lighting option.
And now I want to share with you the last part of the basement. Here we can find a cinema. Inside the cinema, you can see all around the cinema. Here you can see the sounds. As well, there is a big canopy that can sit and to be watching the cinema. And when we finish the cinema and removing the room of the cinema, we can find as well here the sauna place.
In the hammam, we can see the same stone, as well adjustable features, such as lighting, temperature, or aromas. Going further on the right side, we have another guest room, or what I love to call the nanny room, with its fully equipped Siemens kitchen and small Sonos sound speaker. To this room, we can call it's a playroom, party room, or even dance floor.
And now we are in the last place, it's the garden and swimming pool. So you can find the garden all around the house, and also you can sit in the small terrace here and facing the swimming pool.
We may first see the sun loungers in the front of the 28.1 square meter swimming pool that it's worth boozing the tour for. The Alcatric Pro Musako design, it's splendid and contrasts beautifully with the wooden disc. With the lighting spots watching on, the vision is worth the wall at the night. In this special garden, we can see the numerous of olive trees, flowers, arrangement, bringing a maximum of the Mediterranean warmth and Asian scene to this modern architectural masterwork. In the garage, we may find a car charger station connecting to Wi-Fi with a maximum charger power of 22 kW. The charger stations are currently set a maximum power of 11 WK for technical and practical purpose. The garage door can be opened either via the remote control or using the electrical panel button.
I would love to thank everyone who will be watching the movie, and I hope you enjoyed our trip. And thank you so much.